70% of Earth's surface is covered in water. Let's learn about different water bodies on our beautiful planet. Lake. A lake is surrounded by land. It is a very important source of fresh water. Ocean. It is a large body of salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface. The oceans are usually found between continents. Sea. It is a large body of salt water. A sea is connected to the oceans. Seas usually have land on several sides. Bay. A bay is a smaller water body connected to a sea or lake. Pond. A pond is a small body of water that is surrounded by land. It is usually shallow, not deep. It can be found in parks, gardens, or natural areas. River. It is a large body of fresh water flowing through a channel on the ground. Stream. Streams are smaller bodies of water that are smaller than rivers in volume and size. Canal. Canals are waterways built by people for irrigation or navigation, or long narrow arms of the sea penetrating far inland. Waterhole. A waterhole is a depression in the ground in which water can collect. Waterfall is a body of water that originates from a high place. A geyser is a hot spring that shoots out water and steam. A swamp is a wet, low area of land that is always covered with water. What is the biggest body of salt water that is usually found between continents? Ocean. What is the name for a large body of salt water that is connected to oceans? Sea. It is a large body of water that is surrounded by land. It is a very important source of fresh water. What body of water is it? Lake. Which body of water originates from a high place? Waterfall. It is a large body of fresh water flowing through a channel on the ground surface. What body of water is it? River. It is a smaller water body connected to a sea or lake. What water body is it? Bay. A small body of water that is surrounded by land and is usually shallow. What is it? Pond. What is the name of a hot spring that shoots out water and steam? Geyser. What is the name of a wet, low area of land that is always covered with water? Swamp. What do we call a depression in the ground in which water can collect? Waterhole. A waterway built by people for irrigation or navigation, or a long narrow arm of the sea penetrating far inland. What water body is it? Canal. A water body that is smaller than river in volume and size. Stream. Well done.